In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the formula y equals mx plus c. Now, from previous work, we should know that m equals the gradient. And in the past, we've been using 2 points to find the gradient. One of the things we can do, though, if we have an equation written in this format, is we know that the pronumeral in front of the x is actually equal to the gradient. So if we take this first example up here, y equals mx plus c, so we've got the m being 3, and we'll speak more about c later, but we'll just put c equal to 1 for now, and we'll forget about that. So what that means is that the gradient is equal to 3. Now, just to confirm this, reminder, we can use the formula of gradient equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what we need to do is take 2 points along that line, and rather than show you the working out, I'll tell you that we've got a point at 0 and 1, and we can also have a point at 5 and 16. And what we're going to do is use that to confirm that we can use m when we have that y equals mx plus c. So first of all, y2 is 16 and y1 is 1. x2 is 5 and x1 is 0. So that can be simplified to be 15 over 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times and it goes into itself once. So there we have it, m equals 3. So just a reminder, we have this y equals mx plus c. So if I take this second example here, we can say that the gradient equals 2. So that works out nicely. If we just go to our last example though here, we don't have the equation written in the correct form. So we don't have it equal to y equals mx plus c. So we're just going to have to do some rearranging so that we can find out the gradient of this particular equation. So first of all, we've got to get 2y by itself on the one side of the equal sign. So to do that, we can go 2y minus 3x plus 3x equals 6 plus 3x. So what I've done is I'm adding 3x to both sides. They obviously cancel each other out, so we get 2y equals 3x plus 6. Okay, so we're getting close. We've got 2y equal to 3x plus 6. So we need to get rid of the 2 somehow. So again, reminder, we just divide both sides by 2. So the 2's cancel each other out. We end up with y equal to 3 over 2x plus 6. So therefore, our gradient, m, equals 3 over 2, or 1.5.